Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Widgetable app not working. So there might be various reasons why your application is not working. In order to solve that, you can do few things. The first thing that you can do is check your internet connection. Sometimes your application might not be working because of unstable internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable. The next thing that you can do is restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many temporary glitches. So for that, what you have to do is simply long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options. Simply tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now your problem should be fixed and your application should start working. If this does not solve your problem, it might be because of the cache of the application. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache. For that, simply launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Tap on the option apps. Now you'll be able to see the apps over here. What you have to do is find the application for Widgetable. Once you find the application, tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of Widgetable. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of your application will be cleared. Now your app should start working. If this does not solve your problem, what you can do is simply update the application. Sometimes your application might not be working because you're not using the latest version of the application. So for that, launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar. Now simply search for Widgetable. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Widgetable and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall, open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your application will start working. If this also does not solve your problem, what you can do is simply uninstall the application and install it again. After that, your application will surely work. So that is how you fix Widgetable app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.